Want to place images perfectly inside frames using Canva? In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva frames, first on a wall frame in a living room, and then how to add text designs onto a plain t-shirt. Let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. I already have this living room image with a frame on the wall. Go to Elements, then scroll down and click on Frames. Canva has lots of frame shapes to choose from. Drag a frame onto your design and resize it to fit perfectly over the wall frame. Now go to Uploads or Photos, choose an image, and simply drag it into the frame. Once you release it, the image automatically fits inside the frame. Now let's add a wording design to a plain t-shirt. Add a frame where the design would appear on the t-shirt, usually in the center. Create your wording by clicking Text, typing your message, and choosing a font. If you want a more realistic look, you can download the text as a PNG and upload it back into Canva. Now drag the wording image into the frame, resize it, and position it naturally on the t-shirt. To make it blend better, slightly lower the transparency so it looks printed on the fabric. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want more tutorials.